On Good Morning Orlando.
And now for our weekly look at legal issues in the news with our in-house legal expert, Attorney Tom Olsen. This is Olsen on Law.
Hey, remember me? It's Alan Spector again. And every Tuesday and Thursday at this time, we bring you Olsen on Law with longtime Orlando attorney Tom Olsen. Good morning, Tom.
Good morning, Alan and crew and WFLA listeners.
Now, our topic, Tom, this morning, should you put your rental property into an LLC? First of all, could we define, for those who don't know, what exactly is an LLC?
An LLC is a separate business entity like a corporation or a professional association. For all purposes, it's a separate entity from you personally.
All right, so does this work if I have a rental property, someone gets hurt on my property, and they're going to sue me?
Yeah, the good news is that most people have liability insurance so that if somebody gets hurt on the property, the insurance company is going to pay the loss. But maybe more importantly, the insurance company is going to provide you with an attorney to defend the lawsuit.
Okay, so speaking of the LLC, why would someone put their rental property into that?
Well, they're worried that they won't have enough insurance to pay a potential loss. And so somebody getting hurt on the rental property might sue them personally. If you put your rental property into an LLC and somebody gets hurt on it, that person would be limited to suing the LLC. They could not sue you personally.
So it sounds like that's a reason to put your rental property into an LLC.
That's a good reason, but I'd still want you to have lots of liability insurance so the property would not be taken away from you if somebody got hurt on the property.
So, Tom, it sounds like good insurance is still the best protection.
Alan, people often ask me, how do I protect the hard assets of wealth I've worked for during my lifetime? And my answer to them is, if you've accumulated wealth, your best defense is to be well insured, including having an umbrella policy.
If you have legal questions, Tom will be happy to answer them on the Olsen on Law show. That is heard Saturdays at 10 a.m. on our sister station, 96.9 The Game. And a reminder, Tom and I do the Tuesday and Thursday morning segments on Zoom. You can watch the video on Twitter and Facebook. Tom, thanks very much, and we will see you Tuesday morning.
Thank you, Alan.
And remember, for all of your legal needs, call the Olsen Law Group in Orlando.
Alan and Tom, thank you.